Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shah. Today we're going to be talking about how AI is coming to take your job. Just like the tech industry has grown so fast and the jobs were so abundant at one point. Like I remember when I graduated university in 2016 and I had a job my first semester of my senior year, and it allowed me to just be carefree because I knew money was coming in. And I knew if I ever left another job, I'd be able to get another job in 2 weeks. Well, the job market isn't that hot anymore. It's really hard to find a job. And just as something grows rapidly, it can come down just as fast, you know? And with robotics and AI, the way that it is taking over at such a rapid pace, it makes sense that some corporations are not hiring more consultants, because what do I need a consultant for when I can do 20x the work now with less labor? My overhead goes down and my production goes up. The power of ChatGPT is just out of this world. I use ChatGPT every day, all day, for all tasks, okay? You know, if I want to connect with reality, I go outside for a walk and I walk the dog, But I understand if I don't implement AI, I'm going to fall behind. And everyone else should understand that too. I'm sure anyone who's a consultant or works for like KPMG or Booz Allen or Microsoft or LinkedIn or any of these big corporations are probably thinking, man, this AI can do my job better than me. Imagine copywriting. You've got to be a top 1% copywriter to not get replaced by AI. You need to be a top 1 designer to not get replaced by AI. You need to be a top percentage video editor to not get replaced by AI. But still, video editing and content creation is one of the most important things in this generation, in today's day, and for the foreseeable future. We have TikTok, we have Instagram, we have YouTube, and then now we have this short form video content that is so addicting, So this is probably the best way to create a brand and to make money. The digital creator economy is blowing up. People are replacing their 9-to-5s with this. One, because COVID happened, and after 2020, people don't really like going to the workforce anymore. They want to be remote. And now with AI, you can probably do most of your tasks from home in a fraction of the time. So with AI voice bots, imagine a receptionist costing $50,000 a year, even $40,000 a year, even $30,000 a year, can now get replaced for 1/3 or 1/5 the cost. And it's available 24/7, no sick days, no holidays, 24/7, right? So you pay 1/3 the price and you get more for what you pay for, more bang for your buck. Why wouldn't you do that as an entrepreneur? It's the sad truth. And honestly, it's a relief for CEOs because now they don't have to take care of 1,000 employees, for example. Imagine the burden to go to sleep and the livelihood of 500 people relies on you. And imagine if your company is in a bad position and now it feels like you're working for the company and working for the people within the company, and you yourself are internally burning and going down and you don't know what to do. This happens with a lot of businesses. Most businesses fail. You probably only hear about the successes. I've had 9+ businesses and 1 or 2 of them, did all right. Another one did really good, but like majority of them failed. And that was just the learning process. You have to go through that. Like I started with drop shipping, I built so many e-com skills back then. Now you don't need to market for a product anymore and spend money on marketing. Now you can just choose a product from TikTok Shop and they say, hey, you get 40% commission, and you can organically advertise and get 10x the results for 0 cost. People are doing that everywhere. The creator economy is huge, okay? So that's something to be aware of, If you guys like the video, if you gained some value, click that like button, leave a comment below. Let me know what business you're working on. Let me know what industry you're in. If you're implementing AI voice chat, if you think AI will start taking everybody's job, all I'm gonna say is implement it before you fall behind. Get ahead, because there's never gonna be a technology that grows as rapidly and as fast as this and is going to change practically everything we do in every aspect of life. It's moving really fast, and before you know it, AI is gonna be everywhere. A lot of it's gonna be amazing for productivity, and some of it might be bad for humanity. We're already out of touch as it is, but if you guys haven't joined my free AI entrepreneurs school community, click the link below, join. It's free for a limited time. Legacy members will remain free. However, we will gradually increase the price, because what I know is that when you increase the price, people put more effort in, the quality of member goes up. Like, I pay for a $10,000 mastermind, and the quality of person in that mastermind is excellent. But I want to make sure that we can reach the masses. Anybody who wants to join now can join for free. And as a member today, you will remain a free member, and we will grow together. And with that free membership, you can opt in to get a free Go High Level sub account from me. And that's worth $97 a month. So $1,164 of free value for you. I'll create that sub account. You guys can practice the workflows, the triggers, the AI bots, and see if it's something you want to do. Or you can go to the classroom section of AI Entrepreneurs and go to Go High Level and use my affiliate link and sign up yourself. But this is just free to you if you want to get started. It's a great place to start, and that way you can ask me any questions and I can help you directly. Hope to see you there. Hope you guys gain value today, and good luck. I believe in you. I'll see you on the next one.